Welcome to the next part of this exercise. Now and before we continue with the development of the structure, let's make a small parenthesis to take a second quick look at the designing of custom connections. To begin with, and as we've seen in the previous lesson, there's two main methods in which we can produce a custom connection. Well, this time, the new connection has been properly defined. And thus, we could use this new connection across the structure, if need be. As an example, let's quickly change the connection on the opposite side of the frame. And to begin with, let's remove the currently present connection. And next, let's go to the connection tool, and simply place the connection that we need. Or the custom baseplate connection. And here we've this custom connection, now correctly positioned. And as we could see, a custom connection can be obtained from either a previously present connection, or from a group of separated components, such as plates and bolts, or those components we can find in this area. However, the disadvantage of using a custom connection is that we won't have the opportunity of